Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox with another awesome, wonderful weight loss drink for you today. Now, if you want to lose up to 15 pounds in 1 week, stay tuned for the video because I got a powerful drink for you to blend every day and you're going to see a difference in your body. You can drink this every morning before breakfast and you're going to see the belly fat, the weight starting to slim off of you. You're going to see a difference in your body because this is a powerful drink that's going to help you to lose that weight. So let's get introduced to some of these wonderful things that you're going to need. Now, first of all, for this drink, you're going to need a blender. So get your NutriBullet out, get your full-size blender out, whichever type it is, that's fine. Next, you're going to need the juice of a whole lemon, okay? Doesn't have to be organic. If it's organic, that's just as good. But the juice of a whole lemon. You're also going to need beets, all right? I have fallen in love with beets. Now, you may not like the taste of beets, but I tell you, it's a powerful drink. Not only does it help you with weight loss, but it's also going to help you to lower your blood pressure. So if you are suffering from high blood pressure, beets is going to be your best friend. Next ingredient you're going to need is some anistar seeds. These are powerful for your weight loss. Powerful. And lastly, you're going to need an 8-ounce glass of water, okay, which is 1 cup. Alright, so let's get started right now. Now what you're going to do, you're going to get your blender cup ready or your blender ready. Alright, so we're going to start off with our beets. Okay, now we're going to cut our beets into small pieces because we need it to get through the blades of our blender. Okay, so you're going to scrape it and you're also going to just slice it into small pieces. Alright, and now we're going to toss that into our blender cup. Okay, next we're going to take our lemon and we're going to juice this. Now I'm going to have my juicer right here, so I'm just going to squeeze this into my cup. Now you don't have to throw away your lemon skins. You can use that on your face as an exfoliator when you're washing your skin. It's also good as a toner. And we're going to take 1 teaspoon of our anistar seeds. Okay, a nice amount in there. Okay, 1 teaspoon. And they look like this. Now, and they look like this. Basically, if this is a wonderful substitute for fennel. So if you don't have fennel seeds, get you some anise star seeds. Okay, these are more potent than the fennel seeds. Pop that in there, and we're also going to include our 8-ounce cup of water. Now, if you don't want to have just regular plain water, you can substitute that water with some coconut water, and it tastes just as good. If anything, more flavorful. Alright, so that's it right there. Okay, we're going to pop the top onto our blender and blend this up. Alright, wonderful. You're going to get your mug. Now you're going to get your favorite mug, and we're going to pour this in. Quick, easy, and fast. Okay. So you're going to drink this 20 to 30 minutes before your meals on an empty stomach, and you're going to lose up to 15 pounds in 1 week. Alright? So don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on. And being that YouTube has changed the notification settings, you're going to choose all when you hit that bell, okay? So this way you will never miss another one of these wonderful, informative videos and detoxes, the whole 9, alright? And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.